Pag-asa is monitoring a potential cyclone. The low-pressure area was last spotted some 2,415 kilometers east of eastern Visayas. It is expected to develop into a tropical cyclone and enter the Philippine territory in the coming days. Another LPA was seen northeast of Luzon, but it has already exited PAR and no longer expected to affect the country. Meanwhile, parts of Luzon may still experience rains due to the southwest monsoon or habagat. Areas affected include Ilocos Region, Zambales, Bataan, and of course, Metro Manila. Yan. So, antabayanan po nila yung mga weather updates na yan dahil importante para makapaghanda. Di ba yung mga kababayan natin na, ayan na naman kasi yung usapin ng flood control na every time umuulan dito sa Pilipinas, ever since ako ay nagkaisip na kapag umuulan dito sa Pilipinas talagang bahain siya. At until now, wala pa rin nagagawang solusyon dyan.
So supposedly sa Friday, yan ang titignan natin schedule ng bagyo. Tapos yung flood control naman, it's not really meant to prevent flood, but it's meant to lessen the time the flood stays inside the vicinity. So kung may pumasok na baha, mag-exit ka agad. So therefore, hindi siya makaka-apekto masyado. Yan ang problema. A lot of factors like infrastructure ng flood control, hindi maayos daw ang pag-i-implement, mabagal ang pag-i-implement. Number two, may kasalanan din naman ang mga citizens by throwing trash kung saan-saan. Di ba, nagbabara ang waterways natin. So madaming factors that contribute to terrible flood in Metro Manila.
Sana mag-amihan na tayo, season.
Yan ang masarap, the best. Sana amihan forever.
Yon.